Hi, today I'm going to be showing you some of my fidgets. First up, we have this bat squishy from Halloween. I got it from a company called Sensi, and Katie got a purple spider one. I was about to say pink, I don't know why. And also, I have this flippin' Milo, which is at first supposed to be a cat. I just changed it to a dog earlier. And then, yeah, you saw the Dalmatian. Wait, I showed you this in a video a long time ago, but it doesn't matter. And also, this is one of my old fidgets, a jumbo heart puppet. And also, this is a very cool fidget. This is a fidget that Elodie made me, the girl from the Kitty Corn song. And also, the letters are supposed to spell my name. And also, the letters glow in the dark, which is very cool. And also, not just that fidget glows in the dark, this glows in the dark too. And also, it's a pop-it ball, and it's very cool. And also, this is one of my keychain poppets. It's a pink unicorn one, which I don't like unicorns very much, but it's okay. And this is one of my best fidgets. It's a black dimple from the works. And it's not just a dimple. It has a ball maze in it. And also, I have two pandas. One is like this, which is a... Wait, let me check the label. It's a Squeeze-A-Mall. And then this is a squishy from Claire's in Springfield. My next fidget is this squishy frog. It had a Orby ball in it at first, but you can take the balls out and change it to different balls. And instead of it being an Orby ball, I swapped it with this fluffy ball. So then, it's a fluffy ball. I mean, why did I call it a ball? I meant a frog. What was that? Wait, was that Violet from Rainbow High? If you've not watched Rainbow High, then you should watch it.
Yeah, watch it.
Okay, yeah, that was Violet in her cheerleader outfit. So maybe she's doing cheerleading practice, maybe. Rapunzel! And also, I have some mochis. I have this glow-in-the-dark turtle one, and this one that I don't even know. For some reason, Rapunzel's hair keeps flying across the screen. Rapunzel.
Just to say, I'm not real, I'm a doll.
Don't know. Okay.
Neither am I.
And this is my Simple Dimple. That's got a blue pop and a green pop. And also for Easter, instead of getting like lots and lots of like sweets and chocolate, we did get some chocolate. Mum and Tal, move out of the way. We also got squishies! Squishies!
It's a mermaid. The mermaid is being floppy. Look, she's being floppy.
Yes, we all know that.
I'm just a doll. I don't exist. Wait, no, I don't mean I don't exist. I just mean like I'm not real. What are you doing?
And also, who knows? Pikachu! Pikachu! Yes, I have a Pikachu puppet. And remember Ida from one of our Ghostbuster videos. She has the same puppet as mine. And also, like I showed you this earlier, Elodie has the same flipper mellow as mine too. Also, me and Katie have like these Orby animal fruity thingies with like little charms in it. So mine's a pineapple bear, and Katie's I think is a blueberry or a raspberry sheep. Wait, Katie, is yours a raspberry or a blackberry? I mean,
It's purple berries.
okay, but there's no such thing as purple berries.
Yeah, there it is. My name is...
Pinkie Pie. We all know you from boring My
No.
Little Pony.
No, I'm not from My Little Pony. I'm from the toy basket because I'm a toy.
Okay. And also, I have this really awesome tie-dye pineapple puppet. Why did I say tied-e? I meant tie-dye. And also, if you can see, there's little pineapple pops. Pineapples on the pineapple pops. And my last fidget is these really awesome balls from the works, where at first mine's blue, and then you squeeze it, it changes pink. Okay, hi naked monster high doll.
I'm a doll.
Yes.
I'm a doll.
Yeah, but you're from Monster High.
I'm a doll.
And also, I hope you like this video, and bye. So, do you remember who started coming on screen first? Was it Rapunzel? Violet from Rainbow High, or was it the naked Monster High doll?
Well, let's reveal the answer. If you were paying close attention near the start of the video, you would have seen me walking up and down here, yeah?
Yeah, Rapunzel was walking on the keyboard. So if you said that it was Rapunzel, get off the screen! Then you were correct, Mundo. And also, please make sure you like and subscribe. And bye. Doggy, doggy face. Doggy,
woof!
Doggy, doggy, Dalmatian. Doggy, doggy, Dalmatian. Bye.
Woof, woof!